This
Yeah.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So now I'm just to try to select the data source as Excel. Try to bring the orders and insert a sheet. So what I want to do here, I want to just combine the 2-3 fields over here. So what I'm trying to do, just try to display the category and subcategory and also the sales total, profit. Okay. What I want to do here, category and subcategory, I want to combine it. I want to combine this two and into one object as a one dimension. So how to combine it? Simple. Select this. Select the combine category and subcategory. Right click. Create combined fields. Here you just select the combined fields. Now it is created a combined fields. Now let's remove this and try to bring this here. Now you can see the data combined fields. This is how. This is a way we can combine the two fields. Right click and very simple. You need not to write any formula. In another reporting tools, so we don't have this feature directly. We can combine the fields. We have to write calculated fields where we need to use the concat function to combine the two fields. Okay. So if you want to edit combined fields, you can edit this. You can edit this. You want to change this. I just want to see currently which is showing the subcategory, but I want to see the category first and subcategory is last. And I want to make a sum. Between that, I just want to have something. So now let's see. So this is a way we can do this. Go here and edit combined fields. And you want to make it as a hyphen, you can do it hyphen. Or you want to make it as a comma separated values, you can do that. Comma separated values. Okay, this is how we can edit once you've done the combine. So you can edit this. Okay. Or you want to have a space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, you can do the 3 spaces. So it will show you with the three faces. Okay. And if you want to change it again, so you want to see the subcategory first, category last, second, you can do that as well. Either way we can do this. Okay. If you want, you can delete it. Say category and subcategory is already there. You don't want to display this category and subcategory in your fields. So right click and we can't hide it. Okay. Say suppose you want to add some other object, you can add these objects. How we can do it? Say suppose I don't want to hide it. Customer, I want to add the customer ID, customer name, country. So I want to add this. I want to add this. So go here and select hide. Go here and hide it. Which are the fields you don't want to display, and you can just make it hide.
Just we are hiding, we are not removing, right?
Not removing. Not removing. You're not removing.
If I want to unhide the same again?
Yeah. Go here.
Sure, then okay.
Show hidden. First show hidden fields.
Okay.
Show hidden fields. Then select here. Unhide. Go here and unhide.
Got it.
Unhide. I want to hide all the fields which is not used in the dashboard and the sheets. Go here. Hide unused. Hide all unused fields. Okay. Show all hidden fields. Now let's see. So this is how we can hide the fields which I am not using, those objects which is hidden mode. Go here and again, show hidden fields, and you can show it again. Go here and unhide. This is how we can do it. Whatever you want to show it, you can show it. Select this option and unhide. You can just select the control and unhide. Okay. Now, so if you want to change it, you can modify this, edit combine fields, and you can change the name of that title also. Category details. Category details. You can change the titles. You can change the title of that object. You can do it. Now it is changed. Category details. Okay. Now, talking about the customer name, if you look at here, let's remove the customer category details. So I want to split this customer name. I want to make it as a customer one and customer first name and last name. I want to split this customer first name and last name separately. So how we can do this? Go to the customer name, transform, split. Now we have the customer first name, split one, split two, and you can rename this customer first name, and this you can rename it customer last name. This is how we can do it. Okay, so we have the customer first name and last name. So instead of that, you can just add this first name and last name separately. First name, and also you can bring the customer last name. Okay, so I can able to see the customer first name and last name data. Start with the first name. There are 2 employees. This is also 2 employees. First name with having different employees name with last name. Okay, this is how we can split.
Madhukar, just we renamed the same thing, just first name, last name. We are not done anything at object level, right?
No,
You have duplicated customer name and you have renamed first name and last name, right?
no. See, basically the customer name, what it contains the customer full
First
name,
name,
right?
full name, yes. Yeah.
That I split it into the first name and last name separately.
Yeah, just you split it only, right?
Correct. I split it and renamed it. That's
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we are not done any coding like first name will.
nothing. No.
Just splitting means it will wherever there is the gap,
Space is
where is
there.
the space, it will split automatically.
Split. Yeah. If
Yeah.
you want to have some specific value, you want to split it, go here and transform and custom split. We have a custom split also. Okay.
Okay.
Based on what? So say there is a space. Based on the space only, I can do the custom split. Okay. So
Okay.
you want to split the last or all? Like I just want to make it all. Click OK.
Okay.
This other way we can do it. We have a custom split option also.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? This is how we can do the custom splitting. Fine. Now we have some comment option is there for each and every object. Okay. Say suppose I have a country object is there, or I have the subcategories over here. If you look at here, the subcategory. Okay. So then I want to just have as some comments over here. When I take the cursor, it will show you that comment. So right click here and go to the default properties, and here we can do the comments. Okay, this is a product subcategory. So subcategory which I'm just mentioning, product. So which subcategory, which is a product subcategory, products subcategory. And if you want to just have a color, you can just do the color. Click OK. Okay. I just added the comments over here. When you take cursor, it will show you that comment. It will show you that related in detail information, what exactly that is related to. Okay. So this is how we can add this is the way we can add the comments in a particular. So you can add the comments for each and every object which you are using in the table, in the sheets, in the dashboards. Okay. Now I'm just try to remove this and try to add the subcategory. And I don't want to see the customer name. Expanding this. So I just want to add some data. Say suppose there is a chairs are there. For chairs, I just want to see for chairs, I want to see sofas also. Chairs and sofas I want to display. Okay, I want to see the chairs and sofas. So I can see the only the chairs data, right? I don't want, I mean, see if I want to add show the sofas also, then what we need to do generally, we need to go back to the database and change the chairs and sofas in the backend database. Or we can write a code. So when the chairs, if the chairs are there, I want to display the chairs and sofas. Like that, we need to write a code. But here it is not required. Right click here, edit alias. You just go here and edit alias, and you can just write something sofas. So right click here, labels, edit alias, something XYZ. This is how we can modify the data directly. We need not to write any code over here. This is very simple, right? To manipulate the data. So we can manipulate the data in the sheets itself.
Yes.
Okay. So basically the Tableau, the team, they made it is a very simple way. So we need not write any code. Even the same customer can do their own customization. If you take any other reporting tools, we have to do a lot of things. We need to write a formulas, functions, so split it and define the separate objects. It takes some time. So, but here we can just in seconds you can manipulate the data over here. This is called the aliases. Okay, this is called the aliases. You can rename the data by creating the alias. If you don't want to see this again, what you can do, right click and edit split, edit aliases, remove this, and it will show you the actual data.
Maybe I think isn't it the same as Excel? You can rename it or you can edit whatever you want. You can do. You can hide. You can.
Yeah. In Excel we can do it because Excel is not a tool, right? It's a sheet. Excel sheet data. You can change it anytime. But normally, Excel is not getting the data from the database, relational databases, right?
Okay.
So which you have is the static data. But this is not a static data. So this keep changes, right? If the data changes in the backend database, it will reflect here. This is not Excel data. I mean, as a source, I selected as a Excel data as a source, which I'm taking Excel. But when you are working with a real-time project, so which is connected to this source, which is coming from the Oracle or SQL Server database.
Okay.
Correct? Which is not Excel. So here I'm taking the example as Excel source system. Okay. Then whenever you are working with a real-time project, so all the data which is coming from the regular databases, either Oracle, SQL Server, or SAP HANA. So that data changes. The data is changing.
So
Okay.
Maybe when you edit or like when you change something, rename it and all that, then you can save it um, into whatever you want, like into, because it's not like the data should be as it is in the database, but you can withdraw from the data from the database and then you can edit or you can rename and then you can save it into a disk
Yes,
or
yes,
okay.
you can, we can save it, we can save it.
Yeah, whatever
Again,
you, yeah.
correct, we can save it. Whatever the data which we retrieve from the database, we can save it. And
Yeah.
in case if you want to see the latest data, what we need to do, go here and
Yeah.
refresh it.
Okay.
So if the data, if any data changes in the backend, so
Yeah.
that latest data you want to reflect in your dashboard, so you go here and refresh, or you go to the data and refresh it.
Okay.
Okay, either way we can do it. We discussed this, right? How to refresh your dashboard data. Okay.
Yes. Okay. I got it.
Yeah, that's about the creating the aliases. This is called the aliases, defining the aliases.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm just trying to add one more sheet. I'm trying to bring the ship date, the sales total, and profit. So ship date is basically what it is. Ship date is a date. Ship date is a date, right? But why it is showing the year-wise data? I mean, this is a good feature is there in a Tableau where we have a default hierarchies for state for date. By default, we have the hierarchies for date. Okay. So highest level hierarchy is a year. So when you're talking about the hierarchies, say suppose year, quarter, month, week, day, and
Time.
date and time, both, right? Now, so this is the hierarchy. When user click on a year, it is going to display the quarter wise data. When user clicking on a quarter, it is going to display the month wise data. Month to week, week to day, day to. What happened? Zoom, zoom,
Percentage,
zoom.
percentage is reduced. Is 50%. Make it 100. Yeah. Corner. Corner down.
Okay, here it is changed. Okay, yeah. So there is something like date, year to the week. So you can drill down the data. So week to date, date to date and time. Both we can see. This is a drill down. When you click on a date and time, so it is going to show the date, and it's going to week, going to month. So this is called drill up. So here I am going to analyze the data from highest level to the lowest level. Again, lowest level to the highest level by using the drill up function. Okay. So
Okay.
drill down and drill up, we can do it in a dashboard once you set up the hierarchies. So as I said, so for year we have a default hierarchy. For date field we have a default hierarchy. I think Noora, can you
Yes.
please go on mute?
Oh, me.
Noise is, yeah, perfect. Okay. So this is how, so by default you have a date hierarchy. So I can see the year wise data directly. So when you click here, so it is going to display quarter result, the detailed data which is showing, right? When you click on quarter, which is showing the month. So the data which is splitting, you look at here. So currently 2015 aggregated data which is showing for 47,293. When you click here, so that 47,000 which is split it into a year, quarter wise. When you click on quarter, which is showing the month. When you click on month, which is showing the date. Okay, because the date is the last level and there is no week wise data. Week level hierarchy is not there. Okay, year, quarter, month, and week. So if you want to drill up again, so here also you can do it, drill up, and again quarter. So this is how we can drill down the report and fill up the reports using the hierarchies. But similarly, what I want to do, I just want to have the category. Removing this. So what I want to do, if I select the furniture, I want to see the detailed category, subcategory of the furnitures. Okay. Again, so when I click on category furniture, the furniture detailed data should appear. When I click on that particular category, subcategory, it should display the product information, detailed product information. So how we can do the hierarchies? How we can create the hierarchies? So with the default hierarchies which we have seen, now how we are going to define the hierarchies? So go here, create hierarchies. One second. Here is hierarchy. Create hierarchy. Category. Click OK. Let's make it category underscore 1. Click OK. So I'm defined the category hierarchy. So what you can do after this, I just want to see the subcategory. Drop here. And also the product name. You want to see the product ID. You can do this. So we need to order it. We need to order it properly. Category, then subcategory, product name, product ID. So similarly, we can do it for country. Right click. Go here and create hierarchy. So country, I want to see the city and also the state. So we need to have it proper order. Okay, country, state, and city. So this is the way we can define the hierarchies. Once you define hierarchy, earlier when I'm just try to bring the category, so I don't see the hierarchical. Now I can see hierarchical and plus sign also you'll see. Okay, when you click here, I can see the categories data. Remove this. So but still I can drill down city wise. Sorry, product name. When you click on product, I can see this. So this is a way we can do the hierarchical data. We can see the detailed data. I'm just showing it again. So now we have a plus sign. Say suppose if there is no hierarchy, let's say I'm taking the
Madhukar, actually end user can't analysis from sheets, right? End user will see the data from dashboards or sheets only?
both. They can see the both.
Oh, even sheets also they can see. Okay.
They can see the sheets also. Both
Okay.
they can see. Okay, but what see basically the what is dashboard here? So all the sheets which we are going to keep it in a one place, nothing but a dashboard.
Yeah. Okay.
So all
But
these
I think only dashboard view only we are giving to permission to end user, right?
Correct.
Customer.
We are giving
Because
yeah.
this is the client tool, so we are not able to show to entire tool, right? Only that last dashboard
That is not
only.
required, right? So basically, what is dashboard? We are combining all the sheets into one place called a dashboard.
So actually, we are saving this table, this book sheet, this workbook, right? This one.
Yeah.
This
We are
workbook
going.
we are save in that Tableau server, so that client is directly viewing from server to this workbook, or our portal just directly he is showing direct dashboard.
He can see the directly the dashboard. Either way we can do it.
Either nation.
So
Okay.
how we access the Webby report, how we access the dashboard in a BA Launchpad, right? Same way he is
Yeah.
going to access it.
Yeah, yeah. If he can see, then he enter this workbook. Is this sheet one, sheet two also he can able to see, including
If
dashboard.
you yeah, if you don't want to show, if you want to show only the dashboard, we can show the dashboard, or you want to show the sheets as well, sheet one, sheet two also you want to display. But why we need to display the sheet one, sheet two? So the
No,
same
no, just
information,
yeah, yeah.
same information we are going to keep it in the dashboard. Nothing.
Okay,
Whatever we prepare the sheets, that we are just drag and drop into the dashboard. So a
okay,
combination of the different reports. You can say each sheet has one report. So all these sheets you are keeping it is one place called the dashboard.
okay,
Okay. So you
okay,
can't directly create a dashboard with the data in the dashboard itself. First we need to get the data in the sheets. So that sheets you are going to combine it. You can't create a dashboard with all like a graphical representation with all, you can't define all the filters there itself directly. You have to do it here first and then apply that. Okay,
yeah, okay,
fine.
okay, fine.
Okay, so this is the way we have to define the hierarchy. Say suppose where I'm just to try to bring the segment. When you add the segment, I don't see that drill down. I can't drill down because it doesn't have the hierarchy. Okay, so we should have the hierarchy. What I created the hierarchies for country I created. Okay, so when you click on this, you can see that cities state data. When you click on this, I can see the cities data. This is how we can build down the report once you define the hierarchies. Okay,
Yeah,
so here,
the same doubt I have. So here sheets we can drill down, drill up. Can we do it the same thing in dashboard also?
yes.
Okay, okay,
Whatever we define this, right? So we are going to define, we are going to display that as well. Okay, say suppose I have a sheet one, I have a sheet two here. Okay, then I'm going to just for you, I'm just adding a dashboard. Sheet one I'm adding, sheet two I'm just trying to display here. Okay,
okay,
we'll see.
okay. Got it. Yeah.
Now I can see the data. Automatically it will display.
Okay.
Okay, this is something dashboard only, simple. So whatever the formatting calculations you are doing, so that is going to appear here. Simple concept.
Okay.
I can't define the hierarchies in the dashboard directly. So
Yes,
dashboard
yes.
is nothing but all the sheets you are keeping in one place is nothing but a dashboard.
Dashboard. Yes, I got it.
So all you are looking
Is there any limitations for sheets for dashboard? Do we have any limitation? Can we do it 100 sheets in a single dashboard if possible? Is
yeah,
it
we
possible?
can do it. There is no limitation. There is no limitation, but look and feel it won't be good.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. Say suppose I want to see the total, grand total on the top. Okay. So then you have to create a one sheet separately. Okay. You want to just have some different type of titles. Then you define separate sheet for that and bring that over here and drop here. Okay,
Okay,
but yeah, in the dashboard we can do few things like you want to go back button or refresh or reset. Okay, so that all we can
okay,
do it. So you want to add images, you can add images, and you can just
okay,
have a Google Play, Google.com which you want to open directly there. Say suppose if I
okay,
click on California, I just want to see the only California relevant Wikipedia. So that few things
okay,
which we can do it
okay, okay,
directly in the dashboard.
Okay.
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 Yeah. Anyway, we'll discuss that in the last session, how we can create a dashboard. So once you understand the data which we populating into the sheets, how we are going to show it all the sheets into the single dashboard. Okay, we are going to cover some dashboards in the last session. So we have these objects which we can include it: web pages, horizontal, verticals. Okay, text we can add, some buttons we can add. We can add the images. Right? This all we can do these few things in the dashboard directly. Okay, fine. Now,
Where is that vertical? All these things, where it is in data source?
yeah, this
Oh,
is in
in
dashboard.
dashboard.
In the
Oh, that's in
dashboard itself,
dashboard.
we have
Okay,
this
okay,
option.
okay.
So basically, you have to. I'll show you one of the real-time dashboard, but we are not discussing that as in sessions. I'll show you similar. It's a very complex, almost. It took 4 or 5 months to complete that. I don't want to record this.